In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find trending cryptocurrencies on eToro. To get started, sign into your eToro account. Make sure you're fully logged in so you can access the platform's discovery and market browsing features without interruption. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll be ready to explore what's currently getting attention in the crypto market. Next, open the Discover section by clicking Discover from the left-hand menu. This area is designed to help you browse different markets and assets available on eToro. It's especially useful if you want to quickly spot what's active, popular, or moving without having to search for each asset one by one. After that, select the Crypto tab at the top of the Discover page. This filters the view so you're only looking at cryptocurrencies. That makes it much easier to focus specifically on digital assets and avoid distractions from stocks, ETFs, or other categories on the platform. Once you're in the crypto section, take a moment to browse the featured cryptocurrencies highlighted near the top of the page. These are often the assets eToro is bringing forward for visibility, and they can give you a quick snapshot of coins that are currently drawing interest. This is a good place to begin if you want an overview before looking deeper. From there, scroll down until you reach the Daily Mover section. This part of the page is especially helpful when you're trying to identify trending cryptocurrencies because it shows assets that are experiencing notable price activity over the day. In many cases, strong movement can signal increased trader attention. Now review the top gainers and losers shown in that section. Look at the cryptocurrencies with the largest price movements, both upward and downward. Gainers can show where momentum is building, while losers can highlight assets facing strong selling pressure. Seeing both sides gives you a more balanced view of what's happening in the market. If one cryptocurrency stands out to you, click on it to open its dedicated page. This lets you move beyond the list view and inspect the asset in more detail. It's a useful step if you want to understand whether the movement is part of a larger trend or just short-term volatility. Finally, review the market information available on that cryptocurrencies page. Check the chart, recent price performance, and market statistics. This helps you better understand how the asset has been behaving and whether its current movement fits the kind of trend you're looking for. Thanks for watching.